Okay, hello, Mikael. Thank you for coming today.
Hello, sir. It's my pleasure. Thank you for inviting me.
As you're aware, our company is expanding and we are currently seeking someone to lead in our business development efforts. We are particularly interested in finding someone who can drive growth, talk strategy, partnership, and new market in opportunities.
I'm confident that my background and skills make me a strong candidate for this role.
That's great to hear. Could you provide us with an overview over the past 5 years or so in your own words?
Okay, certainly 5 years ago, I was deeply involved in identifying and cultivating new business opportunities, as well as nurturing existing client relationships.
Okay, I will start in my first question. Can you provide an example of a situation where your excellent communication skills played a crucial role in resolving a conflict within your team during your time with the Student Association of Management?
During my time with the Student Association of Management, there was a situation where conflict arose within the team during a project, and I facilitated open communication channels, actively listened to all perspectives, and proposed a compromise solution that satisfies all parties involved, and resolving the conflict constructively.
As a practice student, can you share a specific instance where you identified a potential issue within a project or initiative, steps to address it before it escalated?
Okay, as a proactive student, I noticed a potential issues in one of our projects related to resource allocation, and I initiate a meeting with the team, identify the problem, and propose a revised plan that optimizes our resources. And this proactive approach ensures smooth project execution and minimize the setback.
The next one, how have you utilized your empathy and understanding of human behavior to contribute to the development of projects or initiatives within the Student Association of Management?
Okay, let me answer. In contributing to project development with the Student Association of Management, my empathy helped me understand team dynamics better. By recognizing individual strengths and weakness, I could assign tasks effectively, fostering a collaborative environment that enhances project outcomes.
Okay, the next one, could you describe a time when you demonstrate your ability to effectively manage multiple tasks and prioritize responsibilities while balancing your academic studies and extracurricular commitments?
Okay, balancing academic studies and extracurricular commitment require effective time management. And I, personally, utilize prioritization techniques to allocate time efficiently. For instance, I create schedules, set deadlines, and regularly reassess tasks to ensure I meet both academic and extracurricular obligation effectively.
All right, okay, the last one. In your role as a member of the ARTSA Project's upcycling competition, can you discuss a challenge you encountered during the project and how you utilize your problem-solving skills to overcome it?
During the RT project upcycling competition, we faced a challenge when sourcing materials for our upcycling initiative. And leveraging my problem solving skills, I researched alternative suppliers, negotiated favorable terms, and ensured timely delivery of materials, and ultimately overcoming the challenge and ensuring project success.
So, you have a question for me?
No thanks. I hope we can meet face to face real soon. And once again, thank you for having me. Okay, sir. Now, that was the first interview, and now we change our role. And very fun. Thanks for coming in for the interview.
My pleasure. Thanks for inviting me.
Well, as you know, the company has been expanding and we have a business and marketing manager position, we are creating a new role for someone to lead our training and development within the company.
Yes, I very much think that my skill and experience are a good fit for what you are looking for.
It sounds great. So your CV looks strong. Thought it would be good if you could give us an overview in your own words of what you've been doing over the past 5 years or so.
In my first job 5 years ago, I was working in developing and executing marketing campaigns for a variety of products and services.
Okay, tell me about a time when you had to develop an innovative solution to marketing problem.
My previous role at Majujaya Company, we were facing a decline in sales for our flagship product. I was tasked with developing a new marketing campaign to increase sales. I conduct market research to understand the needs and wants of our target audience. I also analyze our competitors' marketing strategies. Based on my research, I developed a new marketing campaign that focused on the product's unique benefits. I also create a new advertising campaign that target our target audience on social media and other online platforms. And also the new marketing campaign was a success. Sales for the flagship product is increased by 20% within 3 months.
Okay, next, describe a situation when you had to deal with a difficult client to fulfill a deadline on a project.
In my previous role, I was working on a project for a very demanding client. They were constantly changing their mind about what they want, and they were always making last-minute requests. But I had to be very patient and diplomatic in dealing with the client. I made sure to keep them updated on the progress of the project, and I always tried to accommodate for their requests. In the end, I was able to complete the projects on time and saw the client satisfaction.
Okay, give an example of a time when you were able to successfully influence a difficult stakeholder such as business owner or managing director.
In my previous role, I was working on a project to launch a new product. The business owner was hesitant to launch the product because he was worried about the cost. I was able to convince the business owner to launch the product by showing him the results of my market research. I also showed him the product will be benefit the company in the long run, and the product was a success and it generated a lot of revenue for the company.
Okay, next, tell us about the most successful marketing campaign that you have delivered.
The most successful marketing in a campaign that I have delivered was the one for the launch of a new product in my previous role. I developed a comprehensive marketing campaign that include advertising, public relations, and social media marketing. And I also work in with the team of designer to create a new logo and branding for the product. The marketing campaign was a success and it generated a lot interest of the product. The product was also featured in several major publications and it was nominated for an award.
Okay, can you tell me what are your strengths and weakness as a marketing manager?
My strengths as a marketing manager was include I'm a creative and innovative thinker. I can develop and execute successful marketing campaigns. I'm a strong leader and team player. I can work under pressure and meet deadlines. And my weakness in marketing manager it was include first one is I can sometimes be too detail oriented. I can sometimes be too focused on the big picture and I can lose sight of the details. I can sometimes be too impatient and the last I am working on improving my weakness and I'm confident that I will be able to overcome in the future.
Okay, that's all. Thanks for your time and hope we can meet soon, Irfan.
Yes, I will waiting for you for your call, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.